very silent, especially at night. No visibility at all on the big road the bus passed. When I heard footsteps behind me, I understood.
I can get the quotation, I can give you the check. We can go to the collision center right here straight forward. On the way, I just like to drop my son off. I don't want him to go through all this. And then you and I can work this out. I'm just requesting this.
No, if you leave the scene of the accident, I'm going to grab your license plate. I mean, I'm sorry, but...
I'm telling you that I will give you the check right now. We can go get the quotation.
It's not going to happen.
Okay, all I'm requesting, there's a collision center right here. They have done some work for me. We can go, I'll get my son dropped on the school, Christian Middle School right here.
The police are on their way to right here right now.
I just wanted to get this settled down, okay? I mean...
I understand.
I thought that you would not expect because this lane was clear. I'm not making any excuses, so, you know, you're right, I should have maintained the distance, but this is a turning place. You know,
right, and I turned into the median to make sure the left lane was clear.
You did stop unexpectedly.
No,
okay?
I didn't actually. I had my brakes. I had my brakes on the whole way through here, and I don't want to hear your bullshit.
No.
Stop.
Jesus! Jesus!
Dang. Ooh. Golly. Dang.
Be a good role model to these kids and their friends so that that little boy and that little girl get to grow up and be just like you. Morgan & Morgan, for our children. Now pound law on yourself. Offices, Pensacola.
And now, the Marketing Minute. Advertising online